Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video, which is very helpful for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you such a beautiful ideas. All the ideas are decorated with different and beautiful things. All the centerpieces are very unique and attractive. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.